Welcome back to Rise and Shine. I'm joined by Raylene Abbott from the St. Luke's Health Foundation, and today she's here to talk about fundraising efforts for breast health here in the Magic Valley. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
And so first off, can you tell me a little bit about St. Luke's campaign for breast health right now?
Yeah, right now we just launched a $500,000 campaign for our breast health clinic here in the Magic Valley. Half of it we are raising for contrast enhanced mammography. A little over 60% of women have dense breast tissue, so regular mammograms doesn't quite work, doesn't help detect cancer. It can hide behind some of that dense breast tissue. So half of the money is going to go to that state-of-the-art equipment, and the other half is going to help alleviate the financial barriers for women to access mammograms in general.
Right, and it's a big burden for women and families. How will these funds help patients locally and say in rural areas as well?
Yeah, there are a lot of financial and geographical barriers. I mean, preventative care is the top way to just make sure that we're taking care of our community. We have our mobile breast health clinic, and that is out and about in our rural areas, and this portion of funding will go to help women whose insurance maybe doesn't cover their mammograms, so they're able to go and just have those services done to help with preventative screening.
Right, and so touching on that mobile clinic now, I know that launched last year. How's that been in the first year in reaching people all over our area?
It's been great. We're working really hard with data analysts to really find those underserved areas to just make sure that we are hitting the right communities. We have had it out at the Jerome County Fairgrounds, we've had it out at Chobani, and it's been really successful. We're seeing a rise in numbers, but with a rise in women going to this mobile clinic, we're also seeing a rise in the need to financially help them as well.
Right, and so touching on that financial end, you guys also have a fundraising event that's going on next month. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yes, Epicurean. It is the best event of the year. So October 18th, we have a dinner and auction. It's Power in Pink. We still have sponsorships and tables and individual tickets available. We just encourage everyone that's passionate about preventative care to come out, have a good night, hear some stories from patients and cancer survivors, and just have a good time with us raising money to help those in our community.
Yeah, sounds like a good night for a fun cause, really important for our area. And Raylene, can you just tell me why is it important that there's awareness and kind of efforts to help raise the knowledge about this issue in our community here?
Absolutely. So breast cancer actually has a really high survival rate if it's caught early. It's in the 90%. So if we can help remove financial and geographical barriers, we're helping so many more people with hope and a chance for life. You know, I lost my grandmother to breast cancer years ago, but because of preventative care, we had 8 more years of memories to build with her. And I think everybody's got a grandma, a sister, a mother, a friend that we just need to rally around and help give some hope in those opportunities.
And where can people find out about community resources at St. Luke's also?
You can find out about all of our community resources right there on our St. Luke's website. We also have a Facebook page that you can tap into, and just give us a call in the foundation as well. We're always here to help spread awareness and connect you to the right things.
All right, Raylene, thank you so much for joining us this morning on Rise and Shine. We'll be right back.